Here at MotoWales, not only are we suppliers and fitters of Denali and Inov, we are very proudly to announce that we're also now supplying and can now fit, if I've got the box the right way, HexEzcan. That's all the bits to do with HexEzcan as well. So not only do we supply the CAN bus, and if you're not sure about CAN buses, what they can offer, another video will be out soon about those, but effectively it allows you to create plug and play type stuff, plug and play onto your bike and add additional accessories. So with either Denali sound bomb, which is a horn, goes up to 120 decibels for the larger sound bomb, and or adding lights, additional lighting, or additional power accessories. These are now available on our website. Go and check them out. There's loads of different types of variants available, from Triumph to BMW, BMW to KTM, etc. There's loads. Go and check them out. We also supply the GS 911, and the camera's just moved. Apologies, and it's just moved again, so he moves it again, but never mind. Anyway, go and check it out. Loads of stuff on there. We're here. Anything that you can't find, give us a call, send us a message, we'll get back to you. Stay safe. Been picked up, isn't it? Yeah. Here at MotoWales, we're lovers of 2 and 4 wheels. We provide Denali, Inov, and many other products, many other brands and products.